my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's Double Knitted Brioche ebook. This particular tutorial shows you how to work the simple centered double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche. That just means that I'm working with my colours switched around, so all of the knit stitches on this side of the work are created with my pearl coloured yarn, and all the pearl colour stitches are created with my knit coloured yarn. As always with inverted double knitted brioche, I'm going to be starting with both of my yarns over the top of the right needle at the back of the work, and because this is the simple version of a double decrease, I need up front to rearrange my stitches from their usual knit purl knit purl knit purl order to knit 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 purl purl purl. You can see I've already done that. There's already a tutorial in this series showing you how to do that for standard mode, and the rules are exactly the same whether you're working standard or inverted, so you don't need to go through all that again. So how is it done? Firstly, I'm going to slip 2 stitches with their yarn overs together and knitwise from the left needle to the right. That means going into both of those stitches together with their yarn overs, knitwise, and sliding them over like so. And I'm going to do exactly the same with the 3rd stitch, going to that one knitwise as well, and slip that with its yarn over from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip all 3 stitches with their yarn overs, purlwise this time, back from the right needle to the left. There's actually 6 strands to get your needle into there, so it can be a little bit tricky. I sometimes guide it in with my other fingers. Back over from the right needle to the left, and then using my pearl coloured yarn, I'm going to knit all 3 of those stitches with their yarn overs together through the back legs like so. Then I need to work my yarn manoeuvres in inverted mode. That means bringing both yarns to the front of the work, coming between the 2 needles, and then taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back, going over the top of the right needle. Now I'm going to slip 1 stitch knitwise with its yarn over from the left needle to the right, and a 2nd knitwise from the left needle to the right, and a 3rd, and then I'm going to slip all 3 of those stitches with their yarn overs, purlwise this time, back from the right needle to the left. All that has done is remount the stitches so I can work the decrease, so they're now all sitting with their leading legs behind the needle instead of in front. The next thing to do is to slip 2 stitches with their yarn overs together and purlwise through the back legs from the left needle to the right. So making sure I keep this yarn over in place. I'm going to go round behind the work and enter the stitches from the back that way, and coming in towards me, 2 stitches with their yarn overs and slip them together from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to do the same with the 3rd stitch and its yarn over, again going in purlwise through the back leg and slipping it over from the left needle to the right. Then I can slip all 3 of those stitches with their yarn overs, purlwise this time, from the right needle to the left, and then using my knit coloured yarn, I'm going to purl all these 3 stitches together with their yarn overs, just with the front legs as usual, with the knit coloured yarn like so, making sure that as I take the stitches, the old stitches, off the left needle, I keep that blue, that pearl coloured yarn over in place over the top of the new stitch. And then I finish off by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. Let's have a look at what that's achieved. Here then, with a little bit of a pull and tidy things up, you can see that these 3 columns of stitches are coming together, the outer 2 tucking themselves behind that centre stitch, looking very nice there on the front, and on the back the same will be true with the colours reversed. Here you are, 3 brown columns of stitches coming together, the outer 2 tucking behind that centre stitch. As with all of the simple decreases in this set, you do see the little colour blips there, but that's nothing really to worry about. And that's all you need to know about how to work the simple centred double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche. Zip!